Okay class. Today we are going to do a reading rainbow from Nickelodeon Trivia. Who is the host from the show?
Construction worker.
Tootie. What episode is the appearance of the snow in science?
Catalog from VHS.
Rock. What is the last scene after the credits have been showed?
Reading books.
Jordan. Oh. What is wrong with you? The answer for the first question is lever burden. The second question for the answer is the scientist VHS tape from 1989. And the third one is the 4 previous books. Alright, let's do the math.
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
This is the weekly test. Let's go.
Weekly test from the EAS is boring. Emergency alert systems are stupid.
Me too.
What?
Shut up.
This test is so stupid.
You shut the up, Jordan!
Okay class. The test is over and the message has been disappeared. Let's go back in.
You shut up.
Everyone did well on the weekly test of the emergency alert system. Except for Jordan, who misbehaved during the test of the emergency alert system. Go to the principal's office right now.
Jordan, why are you here?
I misbehaved during the test of the emergency alert system.
Jordan! You know you don't misbehave during the tests of the emergency alert system! That's it! You're suspended for 10 weeks! Go home now!
Jordan, how dare you misbehave during the test of the emergency alert system and got suspended for 10 weeks from school? That's it. You are grounded for 15 months. Go to bed now.